On today's menu, an easy recipe to learn that's a golden opportunity. A flavor-packed garlic turmeric rice. Lehoma, I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This unique rice recipe is definitely one that you'll definitely enjoy and definitely want to try. Six to 7 pieces of garlic, finely chopped. Half an onion, finely chopped. About 80 grams of broccolini, finely chopped. Quarter of a red bell pepper, finely chopped. Now I'm actually using some leftover basmati rice. You can of course use whatever rice you like. Now the purpose of using leftover rice is because it's been cooked, it's been stored in the fridge, and it's had some time to sort of dry out some of that moisture. This way when you go and stir fry that rice, you're gonna get a much better result opposed to having a lot of moisture in that rice. Non-stick pan, medium-low heat, 2 tablespoons avocado oil, onions and garlic. Cook for 6 to 7 minutes. A pinch of crushed pepper flakes. Set aside the garlic and onions. Pan on medium heat with a tablespoon of avocado oil. Broccolini. Red bell pepper. Saute for a couple of minutes. Quarter cup corn. 1.5 cups basmati rice, 1 teaspoon turmeric, generous pinch of salt. Add back in the onions and garlic. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. plate. Sprinkle with crushed pepper flakes. You can now make this garlicky rice with absolute confidence. That not only looks amazing, it's going to taste incredible. Because everything was chopped so small, every bite you're gonna get this explosion of flavor. The rice is completely coated in this beautiful golden color. And when we initially cooked the garlic and the onions on lower heat in that oil, it basically flavors that oil, flavors the pan with that crazy, incredible garlic flavor. You get a little bit of a kick from that crushed pepper, but is balanced out by the sweetness from that delicious corn. The broccolini just adds kind of a crunchiness and really substantiates this dish. The red bell pepper gives this pop of color as well as a little bit of sweetness and a slight acidity as well. It's crazy how there was so much garlic chopped up in this plate of rice, but you can hardly even tell by looking at it because it just kind of melts into that delicious rice. This is one of those dishes that's just incredibly savory, has some deep kind of flavors from the garlic and the onions, has a little bit of saltiness, has a little bit of heat, has that sweetness, and you get a bit of that charred flavor from the rice as well. And like I always say, I love turning the kitchen into a restaurant by making these simple but humble yet beautiful and visually stunning dishes right at home. It's simple, delicious, easy to put together, casual dishes like this that gets me really excited about cooking. Absolutely love it. And if you love easy and delicious recipes like I do, then definitely check out the Vegan Ramen Cookbook or the Cook with Confidence Cookbook to take a sneak peek inside the book or to order a signed copy. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check that out. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode.